breakfast hash brown tostadas? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Sign me up. Hey, we're gonna do some breakfast hash brown tostadas on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, get things started. We're gonna get a little bit of bacon down first. We're gonna do 2 styles of this. And I wanna let y'all in a little trick that I have found with bacon. You know, when you get these packs of bacon, right? It's like this. They're hard to sometimes get the strips off of this big pack. Well, I found this little tip to be very useful. If you just take it and roll it. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. Just like that right there. It helps release the bacon, and then you can get it off way more easily. Look at that. That's the cat's meow right there. You know what I'm saying? The dog's bark, some might say. All right, let's get these onto the griddle. Gonna put it right into the middle. Got our griddle just on a low, just a low temp. Knobs are on low. Yeah, don't need too many pieces of bacon. All right, our bacon's been cooking for about 2 minutes. As you can see, it's released quite a bit of bacon fat, which is a good thing, and that's what we want. But we also want to get our hash browns down into this bacon grease while our bacon kind of continues to cook. All right. Now, what I did to these hash brown patties, these are hash brown patties, probably should have said that. I've thawed these, all right? And I just put them out in the refrigerator. Might need to supplement some more bacon grease because these require a little bit of oil. So I'm just going to take some more of this. This is this bacon up. Now we're just going to let these cook and let it get a little bit more loose, all right, before we try to smash these things. So going to do that. But we also, I want to do a little sausage. My sausage that I like actually comes in like a square. This is just a local sausage. If yours comes in a tube, you can do it as well. And we're gonna cook those as well, along with our bacon. All right, our bacon, I flipped them over just cook them however you like to cook your bacon. Me, I'm about a 5-6 on the crispy level. I like mine with a little bit of chew to it. Our sausage, I put that down first, and I'm just gonna flip those over. Sausage can sometimes be a little difficult. It will stick to your smasher and your parchment paper. So I'm just gonna give them just a slight smash. We're not looking to get it real thin, but yeah, something like that right there. Perfect. It's gonna fit right onto our hash brown patty that we're gonna smash as well. Let's see if it works. I don't know. Oh, buddy. Look at that. All right, let's not be a hero, hussy. There we go. Sometimes I use my hands, probably a little bit too much. Last few pieces of bacon, pretty much good for me. I like using my corners, cooler spots. You can just put stuff where you just want to keep it warm to wait on other things. We need to season our hash brown patties. I'm going to season it first with a little bit of this Blackstone Essentials blend. It's a potato. Potatoes need seasoning. My sausage, thought a little bit of this spicy brown sugar might work. Going to put a little bit on each patty. Just give it a little bit of something, okay? Flip these patties down. Yeah. And we're gonna let these go until they can hold up kind of on their cells, kind of like a tostada would. Take a little bit more Essentials blend and put on this other side. Our sausage patties, they're done. Same thing with those. Just gonna tuck it right up here. Actually have that burner off. I got these on. Got these on about a medium heat to really start crisping up these hash brown patties. So another few minutes, we're gonna be cooking up some eggs. All right, guys, so we've flipped these kind of here and there, but these are nice and crispy. I wanna get these over to a plate with some paper towels. And that's just to kind of dry up any kind of oil that might still be on those hash brown patties. So there we go. All right. Nice little drippy egg. Get some butter down onto the griddle. My griddle right here has been off, so it's nice and kind of low, so it's probably in the 300, 325 range, maybe 350 over here. You don't want to cook eggs really fast because we're looking for a nice over easy egg here. Just for the presentation, it looks good. Got, you know, company coming over, you know, they think you're some kind of griddle maestro. You know what I'm saying? 2 nice little eggs, as per protocol. This is called the hussy egg trick here. I'm sure many do it, but this little membrane that kind of surrounds your egg cooks it faster, cooks it better. I think to season these eggs up a little bit, I want to use a little bit of this Hatch chili and cheddar. Just put a little bit on it right there. And for giggles, just a little bit of just your essentials. You know, because you need your essentials. All right, our eggs, they are done. And they might look just a little bit of brown, and I'll show you exactly what I did. I took some of that bacon grease, that hot bacon grease, and sometimes just adding that right over top really gives a nice little flavor. Sometimes it'll give a little bit of an off color too, so that's why it's not perfectly white or yellow. But hey, we're ready to build these things. I want to come right here with our sausage first. We'll go bacon on the other one. Come in with our eggs. Let's put our egg on there. There we go. Eggy. Ooh, boy, that looks so good. A little post dust. My boy CJ will be proud. A little bit more of this Hatch chili and cheddar right on top. Yes. I'm gonna do a little bit of salsa. A little salsa. Just come in right here. And got these cool little, I found these are little chunks of avocados that are in these little pre-packaged things. Pretty awesome. There wasn't any ripe avocados. So there you have it. Now, just, you know, just kind of church it up a little bit. I'll do a little green onion. I'll add a little cilantro, you can. I just like just a little bit, just to give a little onion flavor. I like that onion. All right, there you have it, friends. It's tostada, breakfast style, with a hash brown patty. How about that? Hey, let's give it a try. Oh, hold on a minute. Forgot. A little bit of Cotija cheese. A little bit of Cotija cheese right on top. Nice. If you don't like it, some people don't like it, some people do. And I like hot sauce too, but honestly, I want to taste this thing. Let's pick it up. It's portable. I don't know how portable. I don't know if you want to be driving on the interstate and be eating one of these, but you know, let's give it a try. Boy, that crunch. That hash brown's crunchy. Good flavor. Love the salsa, love the sausage. A lot of things work here. The crunchiness of that patty really well. I thought it was gonna crumble, but it don't. It works. I mean, let's try the bacon. Let's try it. I want to add hot sauce since I already kind of know what's going on. And I also kind of want y'all to see this beautiful egg. Look at this little drippy. Look at that little drippy. We want to get y'all into some of that action. Look at that. Hello. All right. Oh, Lord. Everything's falling. That one fell apart on me. That's all right. You can eat this with a fork as well if you want. With a drippy egg, you kind of eat it out kind of like a taco. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect way to use these hash brown patties. Simple and easy. Well, y'all, hey, I appreciate you watching. Hey, I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where we see other awesome breakfast recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.